Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ashton Tube. So today's video is about information and my thoughts about artificial intelligence. Disclaimer. This video is all about my thoughts about the future. The Ashton Tube will not be responsible for any wrong information about the future. This project is made for personal use and for showcasing the YouTube audience about the futuristic thoughts, so sit back and enjoy the video. So let's get started. So firstly I'll explain. What is artificial intelligence? The theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Types of artificial intelligence. Type I AI, reactive machines. Type 2 AI, limited memory. Type 3 AI, theory of mind. Type 4 AI, self-awareness. So through artificial intelligence we can instruct robots by our artificial intelligence. In computer science, AI research is defined as the study of intelligent agents, any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of successfully achieving its goals. Colloquially, the term artificial intelligence is applied when a machine mimics cognitive functions that humans associate with other human minds, such as learning and problem-solving. Now what is robotics? The branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. These technologies are used to develop machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human actions. Robots can be used in any situation and for any purpose, but today many are used in dangerous environments including bomb detection and deactivation, manufacturing processes, or where humans cannot survive. Robots can take on any form, but some are made to resemble humans in appearance. This is said to help in the acceptance of a robot in certain replicative behaviors usually performed by people. Such robots attempt to replicate walking, lifting, speech, cognition, and basically anything a human can do. Many of today's robots are inspired by nature, contributing to the field of bio-inspired robotics. Some real examples are our phones. They are robots. Nowadays every phones have a virtual assistant like iPhone, Siri, and Samsung with voice. Like I instruct Siri to give me information about any person, trending searches, etc. Like the Tesla cars run by their batteries, robotics and artificial intelligence. It has an autopilot system in which the car runs by itself, but we need to keep our hands in the steering or it will stop in the road if you fell asleep, and the autopilot system will stop for a few moments but it will work again. Now my topic is how will robot prepare food for us by our instructions. So you may have understand the topics AI and robotics. Before my ideas, people should know there is a robotic kitchen. This video is not sponsored, but the audience should know. The MOLEY Robotics is a robotics company headquartered in London, United Kingdom. It was founded by Mark Olenek in 2015 to create service robots for kitchen use. It is best known for creating the first robot kitchen called the MOLEY Robotic Kitchen. MOLEY has created the world's first robotic kitchen, featuring an advanced, fully functional robot integrated into a beautifully designed, professional kitchen. It cooks with the skill and flair of a master chef. The prototype was premiered to widespread acclaim at Hanover Messe, the international robotics show. Now my topic: the robots will be preparing food in our houses by our instruction. So in my ideas I am thinking the artificial intelligence and robotics will make a robot in houses in low prices who will food by our given instructions and serve us. Robots will prepare our foods by instruction given by a computer or any electronic device. So in the computer we can write how much calories, vitamins, proteins and fats, etc. Like if say him or her to cook me an egg, by writing how much we need nutrients. So as per your instruction the robot will prepare your meal when we need by giving an instruction in how much time we need. The robot will prepare the meal as per instruction and serve us. If any problem we can see the cooking process as in the robots. There will be camera where we can check the process. If any problem we can change the instruction in the robot while cooking the meal, or we can stop by sitting at our couch and tell the robot to prepare something else. So by artificial intelligence the world will change. There will business held by them by human instruction. We don't know our future but hope you like my ideas. Please don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment. And see you soon.